Welcome. Today I will show you how to replace a Water Creations faucet cartridge. Here are some tools you would need: an adjustable wrench and a ratchet with 7/8 deep socket. First, shut your stop valve and release the remaining pressure in the system. Then detach your water supply line from the short flexible hose. After that, detach the long flexible hoses from the connection tee. Next, loose the handle valve lock nut. Now move on to the top of the deck, remove the handle cap and unscrew the handle. After the handle is off, unscrew the escutcheon and get the valve out. To swap out the old cartridge, use the wrench to hold to bottom of the valve body and use the ratchet to break the cartridge loose. Now, install the new cartridge. Please be aware, the cartridge with the red tip is for the hot side, which is the left side. Make sure it is tightened and secured. Insert the valve back into the deck from the bottom. Place rubber washer on top and screw in the escutcheon. Do not tighten it for now. Place the handle and tighten the screw. Don't forget to put the cap back. Now tighten the valve body lock nut. Then connect the long flexible hoses to connect T. After that, attach supply lines to short flexible hoses and turn on your stop valve. That's it. It is now good to go. Water Creation, crafted for you.